Good evening, everyone. I am stating this annual report with our school motto, Integrity through Quality Education. Integrity is the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. Here in our school, we provide education with practical information, and we also train them operational skills to understand the complexities of reality. Our school was established in 2017 with 285 students. Now in 2023, we have 625 students with 36 teachers. This school is managed by an organization dedicated to raise the level of education of the people living in and around this area. Our school has been documented and we are following the rules and regulations of the government. We have a standard certification, ISO certificate, to promote the management system and its standard, and to improve the quality of the institution and to facilitate the learning experience. Infrastructure is a key part of energy security. In our school, we have multimedia hall, auditorium, computer lab, science labs, library and smart room. We have imposed our dear Manikandan's statue in the second floor. We have invocated the Hayagrivar shrine last year. We have a big playground and students are given training in various games. We have spacious classrooms with well-furnished high-tech benches. We have CCTV cameras in all the classrooms and all the children are in our sight all the time. We have 6 school vans and all the one are under surveillance and connected with GPS. Children are in good hands and we do take responsibility over them. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. We all know the importance of learning. We make the students to understand the importance of learning. They excel in their studies along with all ethical qualities. We are happy on their academic excellence. VT Manikandan Matriculation School not only focuses upon the intellectual development but also gives much importance to their behavioral development. We are doing it through curricular activities and celebrations. We allotted every Saturday for co-curricular activities. Students have been developing their skills through activities like Bharadam, music, keyboard, drums, silambam and chess. Our school students participated in HOPE program conducted by PKN school and won prizes in Bharadam, dances and poem recitation and storytelling. Our children also participated in state level silambam competition and brought laurels to our school. Everything is here possible because of Manikandan. He is the ultimate reason why we are here. Our Manikandan was born on 7th November 1992. Every year, his birthday is commemorated as the Founders' Day. He is the foundation, he is the reason, he is the soul behind all this. Education is not about learning the pages, rather learning life or getting experience. We have a special day to celebrate education. Kamaraja's birthday, the Educational Development Day, is celebrated to understand more about education and its importance in a fulfilled way. We regularly conduct competitions on all celebrations to bring out the write and speaking skills. Language is the key to the world. Knowing language without error will show our children's linguistic skills and communication skills. By celebrating Language Day, we introduced other languages and we created the sense of respect and appreciation to our mother tongue and other languages. Color is a power which directly influences the soul. To make our kids' life colorful, we celebrate color days, red day, yellow day, and even when the kids were at home in online classes, we invited the kids for the celebration of blue day and green day. The art of teaching is the art of assisting discovery. To improve the quality of the teachers, we conduct more number of demo classes. We invite experienced teaching faculties to guide our teachers. We give more language-based training to improve their linguistic skills. Teachers plant the seeds of knowledge that will grow forever. Teachers are the backbones of VT Manikandan Metric School. To celebrate them, students heartfully conducted the programs and showed their thankfulness in a respectful way on Teachers' Day. Every child is gifted. They just unwrap their package at different times. Teachers made the Children's Day a memorable one for the students by showing mesmerizing performances. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. Science is global. To enrich our students' scientific knowledge, every year we celebrate National Science Day on 28 February. Students' participation by doing projects and their demonstrations is tremendous. By celebrating this day, we develop the curiosity of students to learn more about science and technology. Grandparents create memories that the heart holds forever. The future generation should know and understand about their forerunners. To make that happen, we invited all the grandparents of our children. Our children showed love and respect to their grandparents, which was a heart-touching show. Hold your head high. Let the world know you are proud to be an Indian. To understand the importance of our nation and great leaders, we celebrate all the national days in a patriotic manner. Parents are the second teachers, teachers are the second parents. Both parent and teachers have the fullest responsibility over the children's moral and ethical behavior. We have to work hand in hand to enrich for this in our school. We conduct parents meet regularly. We discuss about the students' development and the area we need to concentrate. And this is an important year for VT Manigandan Matriculation School. Our children are going to appear for the 10th standard public exam for the first time. We have been taking individual care. Experienced faculties have been visited from outside. Through pranic healing, we have strengthened their mental ability. We hope our children will get high marks and they will take our school to high places. Let us begin the next step of our journey from the one that started it all. With all our achievements, next year we are going to put a new step ahead. Our school is going to step forward for the 11th standard. Hope the parents will extend your cooperation. Children see magic because they look for it. Some children may struggle to see the magic. We motivate those children with some special care. We give individual attention to the children. We give more reading and writing practice. We make all the children to understand and reveal themselves in a better way. We must change students from a what can I get to a what can I give attitude. To make a difference in the mindset of the students, next academic year, we are going to introduce Scout in our school. Be original, let the world copy you. To bring out the originality of the students and to win any battle in their life, NCC will be introduced in the upcoming year. With a gun, you can make the earth red. But if you have a plow, you can make the earth green. When there is green, there is prosperity. To bring awareness about the green earth, our students will be given a great opportunity to join NGC in the next academic year. Success comes by cans, not by cons. We, the founders of VTM school and all the staff members, believe in the saying, we can. So in the future, we will taste the success in all the areas and we assure that this school will be the best school for your children. Thank you one and all present here and I welcome you all for this grand annual day celebration. Thank you.